lovely paddling pool. Ta-da! Literally paddling pool. Oh, for health and safety reasons, please remain seated.
No, but I want a headband.
It's quite low actually.
That is.
So this is very similar to the jungle themed one that we did in the other Gullivers. I'm sure it's drunk, crying or laughing.
What are you looking at?
This one actually
These bars can't hold me. I'll give you 2 coins of silver if you can wake up the prisoner in solitary. Scream at him as loud as you can.
We've already gone past him. He's literally over there. We've just gone past him. It's a bit weird. Hello. Hi.
Oh, hello, darling.
Bloody pirates and fighting over things. I'm more concerned about the fact this boat is not draining at the moment. We've got like a puddle in here. It's a bit wet.
There are no drain holes.
Just got a wet sock as a result because obviously it's been raining.
I'll give you 2 coins of silver if you can wake up the prisoner in solitary. Scream at him as loud.
Got a very wet sock all of a sudden. It's also a mini golf course around the boat ride. Mini golf course. Oh, look at crocodile. He has drank a lot of rum, that man has.
Do you know what I mean? Hello.
It feels like there's more going on in this one than the other one that we did. But at the same time, there's not a lot going on. It's a mermaid as well.
No, thank you, Squidward.
Mermaid. He looks like he's having a time up there. And back into the station we go.